Mm, Hello everyone. Now today I will talk this girl about, do you know of any elephant behavior? Describe them. Elephants have many interesting behavior. They live in family groups that are led by the oldest female elephant, called the major. The major is important because she has all a lot of experience and knowledge about where to find food and water. Elephants also help each other, especially when it comes to protecting the younger elephant. They work together to stay safe and care for each other. Another fascinating behavior is how elephants communicate. They make sounds that are too low for humans to hear, and this sound can travel long distance. This helps them talk to each other even when they are far apart. Elephants also use their chance to talk each other, showing affection or comfort. One of the most toxic behaviors is how elephants mourn the death of a family member. They often stay near the body for a long time and show signs of sadness, such as touching the body with their tongue. Mm, this is how deeply they care for each other. And thank you for listening. Goodbye.